So how would you like to get in the best shape of your life heading into summer? So here's the thing, is the results that you would like. So the energy, the passion, the physical fitness. This is my sister-in-law, by the way, mom of 3, such a sweetheart. So this is actually after her 3rd baby and just lost, not only did she lose weight, but she just feels great, lost inches and feels great. So check this out, is what if you could take 3 products a day, make 3 lifestyle changes, and by summertime, you're going to look amazing. You're going to be ready to roll. And so the results kind of just are what they are. We've had this product now in the marketplace for basically 2 years. The first year, we helped people lose over 1 million pounds and get their whole life back, So take 3 products a day, super simple. You take a fat burner in the morning. It has natural caffeine derived from green tea and coffee bean. You won't get crazy kind of like a crazy stimulation thing, but this product is off the charts. What was so cool? How many of you have ever gone on a diet and you lost weight, but you were skinny fat? You're lost 10 pounds. You're I still look kind of skinny fat. That happens for a lot of folks because we have it still in all of our problem areas, like the belly fat and the side handles and in our hips and so on. So as you look at these pictures, you'll start seeing that these people are losing weight in all the problem areas. So I asked the formulator of this system, he's a guy named Greg Horn. He's a former CEO of GNC. And you're familiar with GNC. You've seen it at your local strip mall or at the mall. It's the largest nutritional supplement retailer in the world. So Greg Horn said, it's because of the fucoxanthin in this natural fat burner. And I said, what does that even mean? He said, it's a natural carotenoid antioxidant that helps to target what's called the brown fat, which is the brown fat's all the stubborn fat, like the belly fat, side handles, the on your hips and on your inner thighs and so on. So this stuff actually helps target the brown fat, which is the stuff that's really so hard to burn. So anyway, product's amazing. Take that in the morning. In the afternoon, you take a natural protein powder. Now here's the thing: you take this in the afternoon, around 2 or 3. Now there's a reason for it. The behavioral science and behavior research says that we go on a diet. The average American goes on 4 diets a year, and we're off in 3 weeks or less. Someone drop a 1 in the comments if that sounds like you. You're I've tried it all before, So what we do is we go on a diet. We eat oatmeal and egg whites in the morning, and we're doing great. We eat a salad for lunch, and then at 3 o'clock we're eating Cheetos and pop. We're just I'll start tomorrow. Monday morning. Someone drop a 2 in the comments if you've ever had that cycle, right? Next Monday, I'm gonna really hit it hard. So what happens is you take this non-GMO, zero sugar, gluten-free protein powder in the afternoon. You can just shake it into your water. So it's super simple, tastes great. We have it in chocolate, in a chai spice, a cinnamon spice, and then we also have it in vanilla. So you can kind of choose which one you want. And you take that in the afternoon, so it helps you have the protein you need. It gets you over feeling super hungry, but here's what's cool is you get to keep eating food, right? You get to keep eating food, and then at night you take a natural fiber product at night. By the way, this is my picture. I went from full-blown dad bod to I lost 16 pounds. I hadn't lost those 16 pounds since I was in high school. So from 204 pounds to 189, and I just felt just awesome. I just felt great. I was totally stuck, and what was so interesting is I was eating healthy. I was doing the workout thing and eating healthy. I was just stuck. Someone drop a 3 in the comments if you know what stuck feels like. So, long story short, here's what I'll share with you. Take a fiber product at night. Now, here's what's so cool is you can keep eating food, because if you've been on a diet and you failed, you basically did one of 5 things. Someone drop a 1, 2, 3, or 5 as I go through this. Number 1 is you starved yourself to death. Someone drop a 1 for starved yourself to death. You did the 500 calorie diet, and there's a reason Snickers built a whole campaign, Day Cleanse, right? I'm going to cleanse my system now. And you get the cleanse, and you're just oh my gosh, you're even grumpier than eating low calories. Third thing you did ketosis. Well, congratulations. You ate a lot of sausage and butter, right? And that was fantastic. So that didn't work. And you knew going in, I'm going to get for the cruise. I'm going to get ready for the daughter's wedding. I'm going to get ready for back to school. And then you knew you're getting off it because it was horrible. It was miserable. The other thing you did is all protein shakes. That's fun. You sit down with your friends and they're all eating a lunch, and you get to eat more protein shakes. The last thing is you did some sort of crazy supplement. Some sort of raise your some sort of ephedra supplement, and that's not awesome too. So that's the 5th idea. So any one of those ideas are not sustainable. That going in, you're not going to keep doing that repeatedly. So with this system, my man Devin lost over 100 pounds. People lost everything from 5 pounds to 105 pounds, right? So with this system, you take 3 products a day, and then you make 3 lifestyle changes. And there's sustainable changes you can make like for the rest of your life. So you go for a walk, you drink more water, you cut out pop, cut out fried food, and cut out the sugar white stuff, right? The point is, it's stuff you can do, and they tell you to pick 3 of the 5, so it's even more, realistic of things that you can actually accomplish with your health. So here is what I'll share with you guys. Take 3, make 3 for 3 months. You didn't get fat and ugly in 1 month. Like we didn't get fat and ugly in 1 month. We're not going to get skinny and pretty in 1 month either. Give yourself 12 weeks, and you're becoming right into like the beginning or end of spring. You're becoming right into the beginning of summer. You're going to look amazing. You're going to feel amazing. You're going to have a good pattern for yourself, good lifestyle patterns, good eating patterns, and you've got some rhythm of your life where you actually feel good about yourself. And you've got some of that excess like holiday weight you're supposed to get off. Like I heard that men start their New Year's diet after the Super Bowl. Well, fellas, you need to get rolling here. So what I'll share with you guys is this. We also have a system that we call Lean. So here's the thing: is a 3-month program has been just off the chain exceptional for people. We also have people that are like, look, I just want to lean down and tone up. Like, how do I gain some additional muscle, lose some additional body fat, and I don't want to take any shakes. If you're that person, no shakes for me. I'm all shaked out. Okay, cool. So let me quickly explain this Lean one. You still take the fat burner in the morning, but you add another product. It's what we call our liquid waist trainer. This product is unbelievable. It's got collagen and hyaluronic acid, and it's the consistency of like a yogurt. And this product, you'll take a spoonful in the morning. Tastes great. It comes in a couple different flavors. You're going to absolutely love it. And then it also has clinical strength CLA. CLA is what builds lean muscle. And lean muscle, as you know, is what burns fat, specifically targeted fat, like the belly fat and so on. So you'll take that as well. So you'll have the fat burner, the trim product, which is this liquid waist trainer, which is just off the chain. And then 3 days a month, you'll take our Activate product, which is actually has organic aloe vera, apple, and then the seed husk to help you to kind of cleanse out your system. Now, it's only 3 days. You can continue to eat food on this one as well. I obviously would still recommend the lifestyle changes, so you can do that. So you can kind of pick, do I want just the 3-month program, or do I want the lean if I'm kind of coming out of it, if I only have maybe 5 or 10 pounds to lose? But the company is doing different promotions where the person that either tagged you in this video or shared this video to their wall, they're going to give you a $10 off discount code. So either send them a private message or whatever and say, yo, saw the video, what's up, how do I order this stuff? They will give you a $10 off discount code, a promotion code, and you can read all the comments on the site, all the people that have had, the experiences they've had with this product. But the code will give you $10 off your first order, and then they're going to talk to you about our Smart Ship program, which will save you up to 15% on all of your repeat orders. So you can get up to a 15% discount every single month, which is super cool as well. So again, take 3, make 3 for 3 months. It's a system that you can do. It's a system that you can sustain. If you're sick of the yo-yo fat diet thing, and your New Year's resolution hasn't gone quite as hot as you were hoping, then I'm going to encourage you to jump on this thing, get back to the person that tagged you in this, get back to the person that shared this on their wall, and say, get me started, get the $10 code, and then set up your Smart Shift where you get 15% off every single month ongoing. So take 3, make 3. Your health is worth it. Your energy is worth it. The results are off the charts. You know you're going to have great results. You know that right now is the right time. So get back to that person, ask them for the discount code, the promotion code, and let's help you get in the very best shape you've ever been in heading into the summer. Let's not wait for summer. Don't think you're going to kick it into gear 1 week before bikini season, right? So let's get you in the best shape of your life heading in right now. Get back with whoever introduced you to this video, tagged you in it, shared it on their wall, whatever it might be, and say, hey, I need the $10 discount code. Let's get me started and let's get rocking. You guys are the best. Appreciate you so much. Talk soon.